Let's see what se becomes with the vowels. Now we want to see what happens if we attach vowels that we learned to se. Look here. Too many, huh? But it would be fun. Let's go and see how it will look like. Well, how many vowels we had again? A, E, O, U, E. Each one of these have a certain effect on the consonant that we are using. Today's consonant is se, and we want to know how it will look like and sound when it's attached to one of these vowels. Look at first one. Now you know them, right? My bigger one, this O with the hat comes at the beginning. This one comes at the end or in the middle. This one doesn't attach to anything, but this one is here to attach to other consonants. Look, so by all that, it's os. It comes here, and then the big se. Why the what was the name? The capital se. The capital se comes here. Os. And this one, because we want this to attach to other one, the lowercase one will come because it has a place, so something can get attached to it. This can be another consonant or a vowel. Look, they can attach like magnets. They can attach to each other and affect the sound of each other. So it's os, separate, with the big one and hat. The other one is attached to that one and make it comes the sound sa, sa, os, sa. Next one is a. Two types. The big one that comes separately and the other one that comes attached, somehow attached, it comes above. So come to se again. Look here. This one that doesn't attach to this comes first. This one attaches to se. And again, the lowercase one. The lowercase one, it comes to this one, attached to this one, because like magnet, they attach each other. So it's as, and sa, sa. Easy, isn't it? What about the other one? It's a, right? A. The one that doesn't attach to anything. The one that attaches to another consonant. So come here again. Just like a game. This one comes to this one, which doesn't attach to anything. Es. First the sound of this one, then the sound of se. Es. 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 What about this one? This one is exactly the one that attaches to another lowercase consonant. Look. Se, se, se. Next one. Exactly. O, o. The one that doesn't attach, the one that attaches. So when it comes here, the one that doesn't attach to anything comes with the capital one, os, os, os. And this one, the one that attaches to another consonant, lowercase consonant, comes here. So, 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 So. Next one, oo, oo. The one that doesn't attach, this one, yeah, attaches. So when we come here with capital, with lowercase, because this one you can attach to something else and this one you don't, you can't. So it's oos, 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 and that's su, su, su. What about the last one? E, the E in the middle, and the E at the end. So this one attaches, this one attaches, this one attaches as well. But this one can sometimes come separately. So it's both of them. It can come separate and it can come attached. It can do both of them. E is somehow different. You know this, right? So E comes in the beginning. Is, is. This one looks like exactly like this one. And at the end we have C, C. Easy, wasn't it? Of course you need practice. Of course all of us should practice, but the pattern is the same. The pattern is always the same. So from the top, the one that doesn't. See, these big ones do not attach to anything, but these ones attach to other lowercase consonants. So as, sa, as, sa, es, se, os, so, us, su, is, si. Wonderful. It was super easy. Let's go and see what practices we have for our next session. Well, as you can see, because I want your hand to practice and I want you to always try to pronounce them and try to completely learn them better than now, I want you to learn one page of this, and as you are writing them, read them. First, this one, 2 points, and then write us, a whole page of us, and try to read it like what we had before. And 1 page for that one, saw, and each one of them that you write down, read with it. Us, saw. That's what I do when I write them down. Again, another page of these, and another with these. One with these, one with this, for all of them. As you're writing them, it would be really fun. You will read them as well. Don't forget to subscribe your channel and please comment for me when you did it. And see you guys next session. Until then, bye.